So this is exactly how I fixed my Black Ops 2 crashing on my PlayStation 5. So what I had to do firstly is to just go into settings here on my PlayStation 5 and then click on users and accounts. Then I had to click on other and restore licenses here as you can see. Then we're gonna select Call of Duty Black Ops 2 and click on restore in the bottom right corner. And then just close any game that you have open potentially and then just wait for it right here now to restore license. Sometimes this is really quick, sometimes this might take a while, just so you know. So now when you have done so, there is one more thing that we need to do, and that is to go back to the settings page here on your PlayStation 5, click on System Software, and then System Software Update and Settings. Make sure this one is up to date. If it's not, you can click on it and click on Update using Internet. You can see I already have a latest version, but I didn't have it before, so make sure that you do. Now go back to the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 and this should now completely fix it for you, because yeah, this completely fixed it for me. Sometimes if this still isn't working for you, it might be a storage issue. So delete a game or two that you don't play anymore, maybe on your PlayStation, or just remove it for now and try if that can also fix it for you. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna be able to work for you now as well.